What's going on? It's Bapetown here with another video. The KAWS Tokyo First giveaway is still going on. Info in the description. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information on the latest Bape. Let's get into the video. We've talked about the color Camo Shark Sweat shorts. We've seen the coveted Space Camo Shark Sweat shorts. The first camo green and yellow Side Shark Sweat shorts. We can't forget one of Bape's recognizable OG camos. The ABC Camo Shark Sweat shorts. Dropping less than a handful times a year, this camo always drops together with the bright green, blue, and pink. With the all-over ape head camo print on both sides of the shorts, we have the iconic shark face on the front side. We have nothing on the back side of the shorts. Now, what makes this release different from the previous releases, this is the big ABC Camo collection print, which means that the all-over camo print is bigger. Other differences with this release, including the previous release, doesn't have the Star Shield graphic on the front right side. And on the back side, doesn't have the WGM and Tiger graphic print. In my opinion, features that would elevate the design side of these shorts. But all in all, a clean pair of shorts that doesn't release too often. Well, there it is, the big ABC Camo Shark Sweat shorts. Which one you copping? Now to the 1,000 sub giveaway. Got all y'all's name and the random name picker. Got a lot of y'all. There it is. Alright, here we go. 3 winners. Winner number 1 is E. Hicks. Congratulations, my dude. You are winner number 1. Alright, winner number 2. Here we go. Winner number 2 is Deeves. Congratulations, you are winner number 2. Alright, to our final winner. Here we go. Winner number 3 is Ooh, that's a tough name. I'm gonna give it a shot. Row Z-Way. My bad, my dude. If I butchered your name, congratulations. You're winner number 3. Congratulations, you guys. I will be reaching out to you, so be on the lookout. Once again, I cannot thank y'all enough for the continued love and support. Thank you guys. More to come. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.